How to fix the side button or power button not working on your iPhone. If the side button or power button on your iPhone isn't working, here are a few steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Restart your iPhone. First, head to Settings, scroll down, tap on General, and then select Shut Down at the bottom. Believe it or not, many glitches or bugs can be resolved by simply turning off your iPhone and restarting it. If you haven't done this in a while, it's worth trying. Step 2. Reset all settings. If the issue persists, go back to General, tap Transfer or Reset iPhone, and choose Reset all settings. You'll need to enter your passcode to confirm. Don't worry, this won't delete your personal data like photos, messages, or apps. It will only reset your settings to factory defaults, which can often resolve software-related issues with the side button. Step 3. Check for a software update. Go back to General, then tap Software Update to check if there's an iOS update available. For example, if your device is running iOS 18.2, updating to the latest version might fix any bugs or glitches affecting the side button. Step 4. Inspect for physical obstructions. Remove your iPhone case and carefully examine the side button. Dirt or debris around the button can sometimes cause it to stop functioning. Use a toothpick or a small, soft brush to gently clean the area and ensure nothing is obstructing the button. Step 5. Enable Assistive Touch. If the side button still isn't working, you can use Assistive Touch as a workaround. 1. Go to Settings. Accessibility. 2. Tap Touch, then select Assistive Touch at the top and toggle it on. 3. A floating menu will appear on your screen. Tap it to access various controls. You can customize this menu to include options like taking a screenshot, using Apple Pay, or locking your screen, functions normally handled by the side button. Step 6. Visit an Apple Store. If none of these steps resolve the issue and the non-functional side button is becoming a major problem, visit an Apple Store. The technicians can run diagnostics to determine if the issue is hardware-related. If necessary, they may repair or replace the button, reinstall the iOS operating system, or even replace your iPhone. I hope these steps help. If they do, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and leave a comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching.